And this is the next one. Kurkure. Kurkure?
Kurkure. You can say.
Kurkure. Parang magtatawag ka lang ng ng chicken. Kurkure. Uy, really? Kurkure. Okay?
It's fine, whatever you want to say.
Chutney chaska. Okay? Ito, natingnan ko na ilang beses kasi favorite ko ang kurkure. Gusto ko to.
Let's try.
And especially color green na kurkure, favorite ko siya. Ay, mahapon na. Yan, ganyan naman siya. Yun sa loob. Parang kaano siya ng Cheetos, yung size. 60 rupees din nakalagay. Try nyo tong kurkure green. Ang sarap. Wala akong nakikita mga ganito sa Dubai. Siyang nag-introduce sa akin, kuya. He told me that, yeah, he loves kurkure too. Kaya naman. Potato crisp.
Family pack.
Tama ba? Crisp. Ganyan lang.
It's like slanty. What do you pronounce?
Slanty.
Yes, it's
It
like that.
tasteless. Naka-original to. There is also another flavor.
Other
like
people are
cheese.
saying it's healthy, this all I don't know.
Of course, not healthy. Yung mga bata.
But for diet.
No? Yung mga bata, hindi kami masyadong bumibili ng mga chips. Tawag nito, pag pumupunta lang kami sa may cricket stadium or lalabas kasama yung mga pinsan nila, syempre, minsan lang yun, mga once a week, kanya, napagbibigyan sila. I don't like, hindi ko siya bet. Parang 6 pieces lang pala yung binili ni Bunso. This is the next. Syempre, peanuts. Naalala ko yung mga sugo sa atin. Mga tawag na ito, mga nagaraya. Mani in Tagalog.
But I don't know.
That's called in, you don't know Urdu?
I forget.
Hindi niya alam. Here, come here. Parang ano daw, yung nagwa-vlog. Yes, you should do that. Mas magaling pa si Kuya sa akin mag-vlog ng mga foods.
I know you people are craving.
Siyempre, normal naman yung lasa niya.
And we have two, three.
We have a
flavors
lot
here.
of this in Philippines
Like,
too.
they are saying this is dalmo. I don't know. And we have Nimco mix too.
We have Nimco. Go and bring Nimco.
This is Nimco? No, this is peanuts. And we have like peanuts and Nimco, this all mix. And this is peanuts. Mom is back.
So, ito ang Nimco. Madami pa akong ita-try nito sa susunod na iba't iba na nakapack lang sa transparent. So, mix siya ng iba't ibang ano. Yan.
Look.
Ganyan. So, now let's,
We
from
have
here I will try.
peanuts in this.
Mix
and-
siya.
I'm still eating candy. I will can't.
Hmm.
Can you
Hindi
put
ko
in
gusto
my
ang
mouth?
lasa. Masala. There is masala,
Put in my
right?
mouth. Ah.
Really?
Mom, how I can?
You like it?
No.
No? The ASMR voice.
Time ago I didn't eat this, so it's not good. It's not good.
Sina Bunso, sina Kuya yan. Mahilig sila sa mga ganito dati. Pero nang tumira sila sa amin, sabi ko talaga, no. And sabi ni Habi, meron daw iba't ibang varieties nitong Nimco. Ang gusto daw niya is yung mas medyo, hindi siya spicy. Parang lang, salt lang yung nilagay. Tapos malalaki daw. So, ito ay hindi. So, alam nyo na, madami pang mga chips. Pero ito talaga gusto ko din. Maliban sa Lay's and Cheetos, ay ito, bet ko. Yun lang, hanggang sa muli. Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Again.
Allah Hafiz, guys. We will meet you in another video.